Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best sunglasses holders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sunglasses holders that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Superior Essentials Sunglasses Holder. You don't need a complicated or fancy sunglasses holder. Sometimes, the best designs are simple and compact. Super Essentials offers just such a holder. It comes with a simple loop that fits over your sun visor or on the air vent bars with the included vent clip attachment. 2 spring-loaded clips for your sunglasses hold them securely in place, though they are better for thicker glasses arms. Skinny wire glasses arms are too small to be held securely. The clips keep them in place, but the glasses will rattle around a lot. The only real problems are that the clips can become brittle in cold weather and more prone to breaking. The other is that the clips hold glasses arms tightly and can scratch them if you're not careful removing and replacing your glasses in the holder. Moving on at number 4, we have the Mutter Leather Eyeglasses Hanger. Mutter's 2-pack sets of leather sunglasses holders feature an aluminum alloy sun visor clip wrapped in stitched leather and a brushed aluminum glasses clip. They hold your glasses securely in place when not in use, and their subtle design blends nicely with most car interiors. The fashionista is catered for with a range of available colors: white, black, cream, pink, or red. The clasps are small at just 4.0 by 1.0 by 1.77 inches but should hold just about any size of sunglasses securely. The clips are padded with a thick and sturdy foam insert to keep your glasses safe from scratching or bending. The biggest complaint from users was that it requires 2 hands to remove glasses from the holder because of the strength of the spring clip. We prefer that to a clip that isn't strong enough to provide a tight, secure hold. At number 3, we have the Thenice Sunglasses Holder. This clever glasses holder replaces your car's grab handle for a convenient, out-of-the-way place to stash your shades. Installation is trickier than the other holders we list here. It's necessary to pry off the trim cover on the grab handle and then remove the handle before replacing it with this case. However, once that's done, this is one of the most secure and safe places to hold your sunglasses available. The unit here fits for Honda Civic, Honda CR-V, Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and Toyota Corolla, but there are options for a wide range of passenger vehicles. The drawback is that you no longer have access to your driver's side grab handle, but that is likely not an issue for most drivers. The plus side is a very secure and inconspicuous sunglasses holder. It's made from robust metal spring clips, ABS plastic body, and velvet padding. At number 2, we have the Roson Sunglasses Holder. Drivers who don't want to clip something onto their visor or air vent will appreciate this stick-on sunglasses holder. The holder consists of a zinc alloy loop on a stainless steel shaft coated with a non-slip plastic ring. The holder features a strong 3M adhesive and a stylish metal base plate. Once installed, you can reposition the ring depending on how you want your glasses to fit. Since they hang rather than being held fast by a clip, there's less chance of bending or breaking your glasses frame. The downside is they sit loosely and can still rattle and bounce around. We like the Roson sunglasses holder because you can mount it on any surface within your vehicle. It's also quite elegant. They are available in a 1 or 2 pack. And finally, at number 1, we have the FineGood glasses holders for car sun visors. We love this thoughtfully designed sunglasses holder from FineGood. The sun visor clip is a sturdy, serrated metal alloy. There are 2 separate holders for eyeglasses, but you can use them for key fobs, credit cards, and other small items. The holders feature strong spring clasps and have a thick foam padded face. That means they get a firm grip on whatever's being held without risking damage. They're low profile, and the holder can be rotated 180 degrees so you can keep your glasses horizontal or vertical. The main body is textured with a faux carbon fiber trim, and the centerpiece is available in black, silver, gold, or rosé. These sunglasses holders might be too flashy for some tastes, but that's a minor complaint about an otherwise perfect accessory for your car, truck, or SUV.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.